Shooting this video for all the plumbers that are out there thinking about using our equipment. Stop subcontracting this stuff. It's going to run, you and your company are going to run into a lot of problems. When you have to outsource, you have to wait. You have to schedule. You want to be there. They don't show. They push it back. You got a customer with a leak under their house. You've all been in a situation like this. Keep it under one roof.
What do all of these properties have in common? Every one of them had leaks, and we found those leaks using the equipment in the Plumber's Leak Detection Kit by Leaktronics. Residential or commercial, the size of the property doesn't matter. Finding leaks in the plumbing, irrigation, or features that carry water all happens by using highly sensitive listening equipment and the techniques taught in Leaktronics' Plumber's Leak Detection Certification course. When water escapes through cracks, holes, or leaks in pipes, the sound it makes is easily identifiable, especially when using the powerful listening equipment found in Leaktronics' Plumber's Kit. For residential or commercial properties, using the equipment in the Plumber's Leak Detection Kit is how professionals find leaks and get to repairs. Visit www.leaktronics.com to learn more about the equipment manufactured for leak detection by Leaktronics and the online Plumber's Leak Detection program that includes the Plumber's Kit. Thousands of professionals around the world have launched successful careers with leak detection, and you can do the same. For more information, call Leaktronics at 818-436-2953 today.